Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader here for Mr. Topstep with your Wednesday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so yesterday was pretty much a straight down day. We made early morning highs off the open up around 1346, and then the selling was basically relentless from that point on. You had a couple fits and starts, but essentially the bears controlled the day. We got down around the 1324 level, as you can see here, just right around the close, and we were able to, there was some short covering there that topped out around 1334. But the selling came right back into the market. We made lows right off of Globex Open down at 1321.25, which you can see corresponds with our 45-day pivot at 1322.5. We bounced around there through the night, but we have seen a fairly gradual retracement of this move as high as 1340. So going into today, there's a few things I'm looking for. You see up at 1341.83, those are actually double pivots. 1341.83 is 3-day and 9-day pivots. That is a key level today, followed by the 1346 area, which was basically the highs off the open yesterday. On the support side, you've got the daily pivot at 1333. That has already held up just after 8 a.m. on that move. So, you've really got to look at a couple of things. This is a daily chart. You've got to look at this long-tailed candle that is developing today. What you have here hyper-technically is a punch of the lower Bollinger Band that happened during the overnight session. I'm not as excited about this Bollinger Band punch as I have been about other ones in the past that clearly, in this area, that clearly dissect. We've got to see how it reacts to these three moving averages. The yellow line, which is the 100-day, the red line, which is the 50-day, those are exponential moving averages, and then the middle band here, the 20. Let's see how it plays out today. There is a lot of news in Europe. There is a lot weighing on the market. That said, we have come down essentially from 76 down to 21, so we have done over 50 handles, about 55 handles straight down over the last three sessions, as you can see there with those three big red candles. So very hard at this point, obviously, to get long after this overnight move, but on an exhaustion up at those double pivots, if we do get resistance, that's a decent place to put some shorts on. Let's do support and resistance. Current trade 1336.75. On the upside, you've just got a cluster of resistance in the 41 to 42 area. You've got retracement level at 41.25. You've got the 3 and 9-day pivots at 41.83, and you've got the 50-day exponential moving average at 41.96. So 41.42. If you've been long through the overnight, if you're long now and you've got some profits, 41.42 is a nice place to take them off. Above that, we've got 47.88, 13.50.30, 13.54.5. On the downside, 13.37.5. 1333.33, which is your daily pivot, 1331.80, 1322.5 to 1323, right in that area is obviously decent support. It held up last night. Then you've got the 1319.75 area, which is this purple line here. You've got the lows that are corresponding now with the lower Bollinger Band and the 200-day exponential moving average. So we have some big signposts on the upside and the downside to be played out in the next day or two. Okay, so trade them well. Mike Vacchi, Princeton Trader here for Mr. Topstep. I'll be back tomorrow morning with another webcast. Have a great day.